Hello, namaste everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So, as we have started PT 365 series discussion, so जो next topic, next document जो विजन वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल था वो एनवायरमेंट का मैगजीन है. But before covering that particular magazine, an aspirant needs to be very clear with the ideal strategy to deal with this particular subject. Ideal strategy in the sense the ideal book list, what is the weightage of the subject in both prelims as well as mains, trend in asking questions by the UPSC, the number of questions asked, so what are the important topics out of that PYQs. So all these aspects we'll be discussing in this video, and the next video which will be coming up on the YouTube channel will be PT365 Environment Magazine. So let's start. So here on the cover screen I have attached few images. The first one is Shankar IAS Environment book, which usually all the aspirants refer and even I have used for my preparation, and the same we'll be covering here. The first image is of a Gideon personality, that is Salu Marada Timmaka. She is from Karnataka. The thing is like she has planted more than 400 banyan trees along an highway in Karnataka, and she's taking care of it since many years. So for which the government of India recognized her work, and she has been allocated Padma Shri in 2019. The second one needs no introduction, the Greta Thunberg. The third one here I have attached is Tulsi Gowda. She is from Karnataka again, and government had recognized her work, and she has been given Padma Shri in 2021 and even doctorate by one of the university in Karnataka. She has planted more than 300,000 saplings, and she's taking care of it along with the help of forest department, and she's even got encyclopedia of forest. Like she has the ability to recognize any species which is available. And the fourth image which I have attached is a heart touching one. It is of the Joshi Mud, the land sinking which has been taking place there since last many weeks. Coming to the prelim syllabus, they have mentioned that general issues on environment, ecology, biodiversity and climate change. And the catch which they have mentioned is like it does not require any subject specialization. But this is the misconception. So that's why PYQs play an important role. If you go by the PYQs, you can clearly see that the question asked in this particular subject are in depth. They require holistic strategy to deal with this subject. So the conclusion here is like this subject is very important, especially from prelims angle. The questions are like around 20 questions are asked, 19 to 20, like 40 marks. And in mains, the questions are less. But in prelims, this subject require more specialization. Specialization in the sense, you have to go in depth. Even the static knowledge, which is the traditional static knowledge, requires more knowledge. And in mains perspective, they have the more generalistic one is mentioned here. Headline is mentioned that conservation, pollution and degradation and environment impact assessment. So for an aspirant, for a young aspirant, it is very difficult. And after noticing the PYQs, he'll be like, it is totally opposite. Like the questions are in depth and specific knowledge, require specific knowledge, but here in the syllabus, it is on generalistic lines. So it is very difficult. So what I have made is like, I have divided this syllabus into five great topics, and that is the syllabus here. So this is the breakdown of the syllabus, 2 pointers which were mentioned in mains and prelims and analyzing the PYQs. So this slides needs more time. I will make sure to cover all these 5 main topics which are there in depth, and if possible make a rough notes out of it. Like I will be dealing with the sub points which are there in all the topic. So if you make a sub points of it, it will be easy for you to deal with this particular subject. जो पहला टॉपिक जो सब चैप्टर जो इसके डिराइव किया गया है वो एनवायरमेंट इन इकोलॉजी है. सो इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में क्वेश्चंस आर लाइक जनरलिस्टिक वन, like basic aspect, definition one questions are there, concept questions are there, terminology related questions are there. So आपको इस सब्जेक्ट में क्या पढ़ना है? इस सब्जेक्ट में आपको पढ़ना है what is environment, what is ecology, types of environment, biosphere reserves, लेवल जो इंडिविजुअल पॉपुलेशन कम्युनिटी जो लेवल्स आता है वो पढ़ना है, इकोसिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ना है, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इकोसिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ना है, बायोटिक फैक्टर्स के बारे में पढ़ना है, अबायोटिक फैक्टर्स के बारे में पढ़ना है, इकोटिन के बारे में पढ़ना है, नीच के बारे में पढ़ना है, बायोम के बारे में पढ़ना है, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स के बारे में यू हैव टू स्टडी, एनर्जी फ्लो विच इज देयर, फूड चेंज एंड इट्स टाइप्स, ट्रॉपिक लेवल के बारे में पढ़ना है, फूड वेब, pyramids which is there, pyramids of number, pyramids of biomass, pyramids of energy, interaction which is there, the most important one in this particular aspect, cycles जो है, gaseous cycles है, water cycle, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, sedimentary cycles जो है, phosphorus, sulfur cycle. So these are the things which you have to study in this particular first topic, which is there in depth. The second topic which they have mentioned is biodiversity, and you can see in 2020 and 2021 there were like bhar ke questions were asked from this particular topic which is there, but in 2022 there were no questions. So this topic को कैसे पढ़ना है आपको, like you have to study the broad aspect and you have to consider the PYQs in this particular sub chapter 2 which I have mentioned. जो broad aspect which आपको जो पढ़ना है, like टाइप ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी पढ़ना है, जेनेटिक स्पीशीज के बारे में पढ़ना है, इकोसिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ना है, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी क्या है, इकोसिस्टम सर्विसेज क्या है, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स क्या है, इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस पढ़ना है. Then you have to study about social benefits. Then you have the main concept which is the loss of biodiversity. Then conservation aspect related to it, that is in situ conservation, ex situ one, eco-sensitive areas, ecological hotspots, the national guidelines, the international aspects related to that. So आपके इस पर में ये पढ़ना है. And the most important thing is like I told you have to make use of PYQs here. Like जो species जो न्यूज़ में है, दो इन्वेजिव स्पीशीज जो न्यूज़ में है, एलियन स्पीशीज जो है इन न्यूज़, सो आपको वो तो डेप्थ में डील करना ही है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट you have to consider the mapping aspect here. Environment में मैपिंग कहाँ पर यूज होता है, लाइक इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बायोडाइवर्सिटी एस्पेक्ट. उसमें आपको नेशनल पार्क्स के मैपिंग के बारे में यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर. टेक मैप्स एंड कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग इट. वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, इट शुड बी ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स. लाइक इवन इफ द पर्सन इज आस्किंग यू इन डेप्थ जनरलिस्टिक नॉलेज यू और स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज, you have to be very clear with the mapping and the question are asked directly. So in biodiversity active, what you can do is like you can refer PYQs and make sure you're dealing with all the 4 options which are there in depth. Like analyze it, Google it, and this particular aspect which is there will be cleared. Environment, pollution and issues. The most important one in prelim as well as mains aspect is environment, pollution and climate change. Maximum number of questions are asked. You have to deal with this subject in depth. If possible, go beyond Shankar Ayers, go beyond the NCRTs, Google on the things. Whatever you read on in the newspapers, Google on them. And this subject will be dealt like that. And you have to cover like 50-60% of the question are from this particular chapter itself. So the initiatives जो news में उसके बारे में पढ़ना है. But इसके subtopic what you have studied, like what are the type of pollution, like air pollution, water pollution, it is there, like land pollution is there. Then pollutants, question directly have been answered, like what are the type of pollutant, what is this, which pollutant is responsible for what. Then आपको ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीशन के बारे में पढ़ना है, ओजोन होल के बारे में पढ़ना है, ग्रीन हाउस गैस इफेक्ट, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, यूट्रोफिकेशन, डेजर्टिफिकेशन, एसिड रेन, क्लाइमेट चेंज में आपके बारे में आपको लाइक इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस, व्हाट आर द क्लाइमेट चेंज, रीजंस फॉर क्लाइमेट चेंज, व्हाट आर द सॉल्यूशन फॉर इट, व्हाट आर द इनिशिएटिव्स, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाट आर द इनिशिएटिव्स टेकन अप बाय नेशनल एज वेल इंटरनेशनल बॉडी. सो आपको इन डेप्थ के बारे में इस पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट में पढ़ना है. सो दिस टॉपिक हैज टू बी कवर्ड इन डेप्थ एंड विल बी डीलिंग विद दैट एस्पेक्ट हियर. The fourth topic which I have mentioned is national legislation. Like last year के क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्टली एनवायरमेंट जो एक्ट है 86 का एक्ट है उसमें डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. सो एन यूपीएससी एस्पेक्ट्स लाइक यूपीएससी क्या डिमांड करता है, लाइक एन एस्पिरेंट नीड्स टू बी क्लियर विद द बेसिक वन. लाइक एनवायरमेंट जो 1886 का जो टॉपिक एक्ट था इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एवरीवेयर दैट विल बी मेंशन. सो व्हाट यूपीएससी डिमांड, लाइक आपको उसके बारे में बेसिक नॉलेज से उतना पता है, व्हाट आर द बोर्ड्स इन दैट. So that particular जो कॉप सबमिट्स होते हैं इंटरनेशनल एस्पेक्ट में if we have to talk about, so that particular things has to be very clear in this particular 2 aspect. इंटरनेशनल एनवायरमेंट एस्पेक्ट में आपको क्या पढ़ना है, लाइक रिसेंटली कॉप सबमिट्स हुआ है. कॉप सबमिट्स कौन से हुए, कॉप 27 ऑफ UNFCCC. आउटकम्स ऑफ दैट कॉप सबमिट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कॉप 15 सबमिट जो हुआ था बोथ ऑफ UNCCD, you have to deal with that aspect in very depth. So questions are very simple, they are in-depth knowledge is required. And make sure you're googling on things here. That is more important in this particular aspect. And PT6 coming to PT65 magazine जो है, PT65 3 subjects बहुत important है. First is PT365 of environment, PT365 science and tech, and PT65 of IR. This particular 3 aspects are very important. So ये clear होने के लिए आपको basics clear होना चाहिए. So basic has to be, you have to go to NCRTs, you have to go to Shankar Ayers book and cover all these chapters. और इसके बाद क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा जाएगा. लाइक आप कौन से भी ईयर का 2015, 16, 17 कौन से भी ईयर का क्वेश्चंस ले लो, वो क्वेश्चंस इसी 5 चैप्टर्स में से ही होगा. एंड द टॉपिक्स विच आई टोल्ड यू, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू टू नोट इट डाउन, राइट, उसी टॉपिक्स में से ही क्वेश्चन होगा. सो यू हैव टू डील विद दैट क्वेश्चंस and this particular 5 subject, stick it somewhere. Like environment मतलब क्या है, do not go by the prelims and main syllabus which is there. Environment means this 5 subjects and the subtopics which I have mentioned. And the main confusion is sources in this particular chapter. Like every other person will tell you some other notes, some will tell you Shankar Ayers, some will tell you PMF articles, some will tell you Google, there's some will tell you only NCRTs are enough, some will tell you only PT65, which is the most wrong one which is there. So I have made sure the thing which I implemented in my mains and my prelims preparation, so and the one which I have researched, like I've seen many topper videos, many websites and all, and the thing which I found like ideal for the subject I've attached here. So the first source which is there, the basic one, you have to deal with NCRTs. जो 12th स्टैंडर्ड का बायोलॉजी का एनसीईआरटी है ना, वो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसमें लास्ट 3 चैप्टर्स, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, द चैप्टर नेम नंबर्स आर लाइक 13, 14, 15 एंड 16. ये 13, 14, 15, 16 ये 4 चैप्टर्स जो है आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चैप्टर को आप 3 to 4 times पढ़ लो, योर बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स विल बी क्लियर. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज लाइक यू कैन मेक even use of geography NCRTs here. Anyway, you're studying geography there, so that will not be an issue here, but still I have mentioned it here. Like geography NCRTs of 11th standard, fundamentals 1, physical geography, और जो 9th का तो natural vegetation था, और species के बारे में they have also dealt up in 10th standard. So along you're studying there, right? So special focus environment up, do not leave that, okay, this is related to environment. So while studying geography, you make sure you're covering the NCRTs from environment approach also. And the third one, the most important one, which I found out to be very holistic, is Shankar IS. But Shankar IS and the material which is there is very bulky. You have to make use of it sparingly. Only the things which are important, for which you have to be very clear with the PYQs and the 5 chapters which I told you. 5 chapters plus PYQ. Analyze करो, उसके हिसाब से use sparingly. वो जो 300-400 का जो शंकर राइस का मटेरियल है, इसमें हार्डली 60-70 पेजेस आर इंपॉर्टेंट. जो टॉपिक का समरी है वो उस पर जाओ, चेक करो, गो टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पेज, गो टू द चैप्टर लिस्ट विच हैड मेंशन 5 चैप्टर्स, गो टू द PYQs एंड यू सॉल्व इट. सो इस तरह से इस बुक को आपको पढ़ना है. इफ यू गो एंड रीड ईच बाइट बाय बाइट एवरी पेज, इट विल टेक यू मोर देन 1 month to, and it is not an ideal way to deal with this particular subject. More than 2-3 months also it will take. So PYQs, important chapters which I told you, and the Shankar IS magazine has to be clubbed together and studied here. Economics and environment do not go to the exam hall without studying current affairs magazine. So you have to, from prelim perspective, if you're studying daily newspaper, well and good, study it in depth, make notes of it, especially for environment here, because बहुत सारे species news में होंगे, as I told you, invasive species, alien species, उसका आपको news में ही होंगे. So you have to deal with that thing. If you are not able to study daily newspaper, for prelims aspect, you can cover Vision 365 magazine, or you can even take up Shankar ka 365 magazine which is there. And for mains, the ultimate one, Vision 365 magazine will be more than enough. But it is a bulky one, like Vision magazine itself is 130 pages. But I promise you that I will make that magazine very easy for you. If you watch my next video which will be coming up, if you watch my video for 3-4 times, you will be able to interpret that magazine in a very easy way. And this particular subject will be easy, I guarantee you that. And most important thing, even I told you, mapping is very important. Mapping of national parks, wildlife sanctuary, biosphere reserve. It has to be like कौन सा national park, कौन से biosphere reserve में club हो रहा है, उसके areas क्या है, core areas, eco sensitivity. ये these are the important topics. And जो we read it on usual basis, but हम depth में नहीं पढ़ते. So concept which is there is not clear. We studied at superficial, हाँ core area ठीक है, but core area में जो permitted activities, restricted activities है, you have to be very clear. We study about air pollution in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, everywhere, but we are not studying about the pollutants which are rising. कौन से pollutants and which pollutant is harmful for which health disorder it cause. So this particular aspect should be very clear. You have to be very your general knowledge which is there should be very clear. Don't just read this particular aspect, but you have to make sure that you are analyzing it and googling on things here in this particular subject to score well. Like out of 19 questions, if you give proper timing, like suppose आज से 15 days अगर आपने इस subject को दे दिया 10-15 days, आराम से I'm telling you 17 question to even 18 question can be solved easily and it will be done. So these are the sources for this particular subject. Do not go beyond this. Do not go for multiple topper notes and strategy websites or Vision Insights or something like that. Just deal with this 4 subpoints which I have mentioned and you will be able to clear the subject and score very well. Environment section which is there is more important for prelims. More important means, as you know, forest service का भी prelim same होता है. Like the cutoff is high, but so the UPSC has like forest service को include किया है, तो they have to make sure that questions are high from this subject. Like 1/5, like 19 questions in 2022 environment topics including the current affairs aspect of it. 21 में भी 19 क्वेश्चन था, 2020 में भी 18 क्वेश्चन था, 77 में 13 क्वेश्चन था. So you have to be very clear. If you have to clear prelims, you have to deal with environment subject in depth. नहीं तो prelims clear नहीं होगा, because other subjects are very like science and tech की थोड़ा tough subjects है, like you cannot predict areas from that. But environment areas, if you read newspapers, if you cover current aspects, if you have basic knowledge, the NCERT 4 chapters which I told you, Shankar, I first half of the book which is there is very important. So if you deal up with that subject, it will be very easy for you to clear this, and it will be a game changer. Even it will help you to score even 120, 130 in prelim if you cover this particular subject in depth. After analyzing the PYQs, I have come up with this 5 sub points at the analysis part. Like analyze मैंने जो किया है, like right from 3-4 years, I made sure to analyze all the paper. So the videos are coming in 3-4 days because I'm taking time to analyze paper and I have to give an authentic material for you. So पहला टॉपिक environment के related है कि like your basic knowledge which is there has to be very clear. You have to be very clear in your basic aspects like NCERT. इसमें तो wrong होना ही नहीं चाहिए. The current aspect I told you, like current affairs पढ़ के मत जाना, बिना पढ़ के ये subject के attend करने मत जाना. But current aspect will be solvable only if your basic concepts are clear. Basic concept, like make sure you're clear on that. For them, make sure NCERT direct questions are from the basic aspects. Current aspects are the must. Without that, do not go for the subject. I am repeating this again. Current aspect linked with the static traditional knowledge is very important. Static subject in other subjects in polity and all, it was like superficial level. थोड़ा थोड़ा आपने पढ़ लिया science and tech में, economy में, that is important. That is enough actually. But your static knowledge has to be in depth. You have to jump into it. Do not go by the prelim syllabus which was mentioned. Like do not require subject special. You have to do BSc on this particular subject here. And environment impact, as I told you, even in the third topic in the syllabus breakdown, environment topic, especially issues which are there, and with the aspect of pollution and climate change are very important. 50 to 60% of questions are directly from what are initiatives taken place, what are the reasons for this particular aspect. So that this particular subject, if you're taking up this subject, take it very, you have to give proper time to it. Do not say that हाँ वही global warming ना, वही climate change ना. That should not be the focus. आप एक काम करो, like make sure just type pollution UPSC and see whatever notes are available. Make sure to read it and give special focus. If you have no time for it, give special focus for Shankar Ayers and study it from there. Climate change, what are the things are important, because every day, and in this particular aspect जो I told you about the basic aspects, like link it here directly. Like आपको clear नहीं होगा climate change. People think climate change and weather are similar aspect, but climate change is a long term effect of 30-40 years, but weather is a short term, short area. So that particular concept should be very clear here. Initiative taken up national by India as well as international aspects are very important. Question asked directly. Then COPs which I had, recently UNFCCC का 27 submit हुआ था तो Egypt, Turkey में I guess. So that is very important. Then 15 submit, COP submit था. Again a 15, UNCCD का 15, UNCBD का 15 सबमिट था. सो उसके आउटकम्स, उसके अलायंसेस जो फॉर्म हुए वहाँ पर, इनिशिएटिव जो लॉन्च किया गया है. सो दैट थिंग्स आर वेरी एस्पेक्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट. नाउ आई विल शो यू दैट मैंने जो 5 चैप्टर्स मेंशन किए उसमें से किससे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं. नो क्वेश्चंस आर आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट हियर. सो आई विल शो यू दैट बाय प्रीलिम्स 2022 paper which is there. I will show you like out of 19 question कैसे questions directly easy है, application based है, current affairs aspect कौन से है, और जो 5 topics, if you study that 5 topics कैसे आपको you will be able to आराम से solve 17-18 questions here. Will be dealing up with the aspect and will show you that very clearly. Part A series था, उसमें first question था question number 21. So उसमें आपको anthropogenic sources के बारे में पूछा गया था of methane and nitrous oxide. So I told you PYQs are very important. So similar question was asked in 2019 also, like sources of methane. So if you would have studied that and would have analyzed, researched more on it, you would have aram se able to clear this particular aspect. And I told you like you have to study about the pollutants in pollution aspect. I told you have to study about the pollutant in depth. So this question could be aram se solved just by that one particular question and the topics which I mentioned you in the 5 subtopics here. Then the second topics are over 22nd topic tha. This was purely current affairs aspect. I remember reading it in PT365 magazine also. So this is like ये टेक्नोलॉजी न्यूज़ में था. आई टोल्ड टेक्नोलॉजी एस्पेक्ट, इनिशिएटिव एस्पेक्ट, विच एवर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो उसके इन डेप्थ नॉलेज लाइक व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस फॉर दैट जो ये क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था. सो यू कुड हैव आराम से सॉल्व इफ यू हैव रेड PT365 magazine ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर. The 75th question which I have attached here, like it is like I told you, like Environment Protection Act is very important. So this was a tricky one. I told this was a tough one. You can make mistake in that, not an issue. But what UPSC is एस्पेक्टिंग इज लाइक ये तो एक्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो यू हैव टू कवर. अभी लोग उनके क्वेश्चन एग्जॉस्ट हो गए विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट. सो नाउ दे आर गोइंग एक्ट्स, जो बेसिक एक्ट्स है इंडिया के एक्ट्स है, जो UNCCD है, UNCBD है, उसके बेसिक जो एस्पेक्ट होते हैं, दे आर गोइंग इन डेप्थ नाउ. सो मेक श्योर व्हाइल स्टडिंग दैट research more on it. So this question could have, it is tough, but it was not unsolvable. Like solve नहीं कर सकते ऐसा नहीं था, but it could be easily solved. The first topic था purely current affairs. I told you current affairs are like very important. जो climate action tracker था is very important, which was clearly there in news. It is the answer is the A option here. You can even judge it from the question itself. Monitors the emission pledges of different countries. But suppose if it is an institution from US or EU or India, so of course अगर इंडिया में कुछ इनिशिएटिव ऐसा क्लाइमेट ट्रैकर एक्शन लाया, so other countries will not accept that. And the question न्यूज में है, so means other country like people accepting it. So इससे ही पता चल जाता था. The option is answer option A here. 42nd question which is there. Again, climate grew. There are many things which are in news. Like कौन से COP summit में बहुत सारे outcomes आते हैं, उसकी initiative bondings हो जाते हैं. So that aspect is very important. And even if you go by the wordings here, which after covering all the PTCO magazine, I will come up with holistic 100 question analysis of 2022 paper. उसमें आपको shortcuts बताऊंगा. Like how you have to make use of your knowledge here and application of shortcuts to deal with this particular subject. So this was one of that particular category question. 43rd क्वेश्चन था वेटलैंड्स के ऊपर था. दिस क्वेश्चन वॉज इन बिटवीन द टफ क्वेश्चन, लाइक 42nd क्वेश्चन के बाद 41st क्वेश्चन में टफ क्वेश्चन के बीच में क्वेश्चन था. बट दिस वॉज द वन विच रिक्वायर्ड ओनली जनरल नॉलेज. दिस डज नॉट इवन रिक्वायर UPSC knowledge. Even a 12th standard fellow could solve this question just by reading this particular question. You have to compare it with kidney. You have to compare the rainforest, tropical forest with the kidneys which is there. बट द कैच हियर वॉज लाइक ऑप्शन ऑप्शन ही बहुत कैची थे. सब ऑप्शन एक ही जैसे लग रहे थे. बट अगर आपने 30 सेकेंड्स ये क्वेश्चन को एक्स्ट्रा दिया होता तो आराम से यू कुड हैव डिराइव्ड आंसर. सो यू टू बी काम इन बिटवीन. सो कंक्लूजन इन बिटवीन द क्वेश्चन देयर आर easy question also which requires only general knowledge, especially in this particular and environment ecology aspect related to WHO air quality. Actually this is the mains question. Last year there was a question on this WHO air quality aspect. So अगर आपने वो मेंस एनालाइज किया होता आराम से आई कुड हैव टोल्ड यू. इवन आई हैड नो नॉलेज ऑफ इट, बट सिंस आई हैड रिटन मेंस, सो एनालाइज्ड इट एंड आई कुड सॉल्व दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन एंड दिस क्वेश्चन आई क्लियर्ड इट. 45th क्वेश्चन एज आई टोल्ड यू गुच्छी के बारे में था. ऑफ कोर्स दिस वॉज इन न्यूज लाइक इट इज़ अ फंगस. येस इट इज गोज इन हिमालयन फॉरेस्ट एरियाज. येस बट द UPSC हमेशा ऐसा करता है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट नॉर्थ वेस्ट के बारे में कन्फ्यूज करता है, नॉर्थ को साउथ से कंफ्यूज कर देता है, ईस्ट को वेस्ट से कंपेयर कर देता है. द ओनली थिंग विच बोले ये नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट नहीं था. सो ऑप्शन वॉज आंसर वॉज दिस ऑप्शन वॉज एलिमिनेटेड हियर एंड यू कुड हैव इजीली बाय अप्लाइंग योर नॉलेज हियर एज वेल एज द करंट अफेयर्स एस्पेक्ट एंड जनरल नॉलेज यू कुड इजीली सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सो आई टोल्ड यू द करंट एस्पेक्ट आपने अगर पढ़ लिया तो यू कैन आराम से क्लियर दिस सब्जेक्ट. 46 क्वेश्चन जो था वो पेट बॉटल्स के बारे में था, जो हम रिसेंटली हम लोग जो नॉट द वन विच वी कैन नॉट यूज इट फॉर प्लास्टिक बैग्स एंड ऑल बट द थिक वन. This question is related to that. As I told you, pollution aspect is very important. So all the thing, plastic pollution में आता है, right? So it was always in news, like government had banned it. So you have to, people will only go by the plastic bags, which you have to go in depth. Second step now. जो 47th question था, golden machine is always was in PYQs and news, like कावेरी रिवर में फॉर्म मिलता है ना. So अगर आपने वो सिर्फ देख लिया होता कावेरी रिवर में मिलता है, you could have solved this. So this is the like this does not require any textbook. Only PYQs is more than enough here. 48 question जो था is like as I told you they had mentioned nitrogen fixing plants which is there. इसमें आराम से 6th option वाले you can eliminate this option just by the MCQs and previous year question. Again I can tell you I'm focusing on PYQ question because for economics and environment PYQs play a very important role, especially for that biodiversity part which I mentioned, the second chapter which I told you in the breakdown of the syllabus aspect. Bioelect technology हरा बहुत सारा न्यूज़ में था. सो उसका न्यूज़ क्या है, लाइक पोल्यूशन आई टोल्ड यू इनडायरेक्टली लिंक टू पोल्यूशन एस्पेक्ट. सो प्लीज कवर पोल्यूशन एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज एस्पेक्ट. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू हैव टू कवर दैट एस्पेक्ट इन दैट. जो 50th मॉडल जो था मियावाकी मेथड जो था इट वॉज इन न्यूज़. सो कवरिंग जनरल नॉलेज एस्पेक्ट मैगजीन्स वुड बी इनफ हियर because it was covered in all the magazine. Our code was in news. It could be covered by current affairs magazine. 84th question. As I told you, नॉर्थ को साउथ से लिख देता है UPSC, वेस्ट को ईस्ट से लिख देता है. उसी तरह गुजरात को दे विल सपोज इट इज कर्नाटका यू विल नेम गुजरात, इफ इट इज राजस्थान इट विल नेम. सो हियर इट इज राजस्थान एक्चुअली. इवन दिस क्वेश्चन आई कंफ्यूज माई सेल्फ एंड इट वॉज रॉन्ग हियर. एंड सेकेंड ऑप्शन केरला, येस केरला में बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं. सो आपको एयरपोर्ट के मामले में तो लाइक दे हैड एडवांस्ड इन इट सेल्फ. So you have to be very clear with the newspaper, as I told you. Go third option, which is there. So reading newspapers you could have cleared this question. Greenwashing, ऐसे कुछ भी terms होंगे, ये याद रखना. I am expecting more questions like that. If any terms are in news respect to environment, you make sure you are very clear with that term in depth. Okay, like UPSC is tilting even in polity, as I told you, doctrines of judiciary के जो doctrines मैंने जो PTC मैगजीन में बताया था. सो उसमें बता, दिस विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो भी टर्म्स होंगे, टर्म्स लाइक दैट, इट विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग इट, मेक श्योर देन एंड देयर इटसेल्फ यू आर गूगलिंग ऑन इट, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन मैगजीन्स एंड इंस्टीट्यूट्स के जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें वो क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछे जा रहे दैट, बट दैट इज लेफ्ट टू यू. इफ यू वांट टू स्कोर हाई, यू हैव टू deal with this terminologies which are there in depth. The ninth question was a tricky one. उसमें मेन सब जो थर्ड ऑप्शन था एप्रीहेंशन, यही इसमें मेनी इंस्टीट्यूट्स के मैच ही नहीं हो रहे. सो दिस इज द वन ट्रिकी वन, बट नॉट एन डिफिकल्ट वन. इफ यू गिव सम टाइम, इफ यू अप्लाई योर जनरल नॉलेज हियर, इट कुड बी सॉल्वेबल. ऑफकोर्स देर 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन आर देर. यूपीएससी विल थिंक इन एप्रीहेंशन टर्म को है. इंग्लिश इज अ फनी लैंग्वेज, राइट? सो पीपल, आई कैन टेक इट इन सम अदर एस्पेक्ट, यूपीएससी कैन टेक इट इन अदर एस्पेक्ट. विल वेट फॉर द actual answer key which after of the UPSC website here. 90th question is like ant. ये तो एक आपको खूब पता ही होना चाहिए. This can't be wrong. I told you, like say 19 question में 10 question were very easy, which should not be wrong. 9 question are little bit tough, medium to tough level. Out of that, even 7 question was solvable. So you have to be very clear with this particular question. And the last question of the part A series were like acid rain, as I told you, very important one. अगर आपने बेसिक भी क्लियर किया था तो आराम से वो क्लियर हो जाता. अप टू मेंस नाउ, as I told you, weightage of environment is more in prelims because of the forest service prelims is combined, but forest service का main separately conduct किया जाता है. So if you see GS3 paper is already many subjects there. So environment की 4 questions आए 2022 के मेंस पेपर में. Usually there are 3 questions, but ये साल extra 1 question पूछ लिया गया था. So make sure you are covering that. And the question was little bit difficult if I have to tell you. And one thing like in the breakdown aspect, I miss like environment impact assessment. So उसमें आपको क्या पढ़ना है environment impact assessment में? Like main thing, what is environment impact assessment? What are the Indian guidelines? What are legislation brought in but aspect? What is the process? What is the need, benefits, and shortcomings of environment impact assessment? And you have to link with the economic development aspect. Measures which have been taken place and has to be taken place. वो एक aspect cover कर लेना. That is more important in means aspect. जो पहला क्वेश्चन था, एज आई टोल्ड यू, देयर वर 2 10 मार्कर क्वेश्चन एंड 2 15 मार्कर क्वेश्चन. ये साल एक क्वेश्चन एक्स्ट्रा पूछ लिया गया था. बट एनवायरमेंट द क्वेश्चन आर लिटिल, दे आर ट्राइंग टू मेक इट लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी इन लास्ट ईयर. दे आर मेकिंग यूज ऑफ प्रीलिम्स जो पढ़ते हैं. यूजुअली एस्पिरेंट्स विल नॉट रीड द प्रीलिम्स एस्पेक्ट अगेन, बट दे आर लिंकिंग द प्रीलिम्स एस्पेक्ट हियर. एग्जाम्पल, द 6th क्वेश्चन विच वॉज देयर. This was a tough question, I agree, but it was not like you cannot solve it at all. You can link this question to the environment ecology basic aspect. As I told you, carbon cycle से आप link कर सकते थे, and you can आराम से solve this question. I found like that. And the 7th question जो था, pollution topic, as I told you, photochemical smog is always in use. But the catch was like Rotenberg protocol है ना, we usually study it in climate change and pollution aspect of prelims. No one will come that and revise here. So as I told you, prelims ka knowledge is also very important considering the previous year 2022 prelims mains paper. So make sure you're establishing a proper linkage there. Photochemical smog you can easily solve, but this was the catch here. If you remember this aspect, it would aram se you would have cleared this, and it like aram se you could score around 6 out of 10 here. 19th question, as I told you, climate change, pollution are very important. I'm repeating again and again, both from prelims as well mains answer. So make sure you're covering that aspect in depth. So इसमें global warming के बारे में पूछा गया था. In the light of protocol, I cannot tell you the importance of this particular aspect on the 1992 में जो हुआ था, importance of international aspect ना, you have to make sure you're making out notes of it. Do not, and make sure you're researching it. So उसमें आपको सब points पता चलेगा. As I told you, UPSC is exhausted with the questions in that particular aspects like environment or acts honge. So now they are doing in one step more in depth. So make sure even you're making notes and reading the bare acts which are there if possible. The 18th question, 15 marker question was on coastal erosion and coastal techniques which are combating this. It was a static part. Usually aspirants cover it, and it was not difficult even to deal with this topic. So this is all about environment strategy. I have researched on it for 3-4 days and I have come up with this video. This is a holistic one. Please Make sure you're watching this before watching the PT65 magazine next video, which will be coming up in next 2-3 days, and it will be easy for you. For again, I tell you, 17 to 18 question are solvable of the 19 question which are asked. So make sure you're looking up at with that facts and newspapers and PT65 magazine in depth. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure that all your concepts are very clear.